Isle of Skye, Scotland. 12 must-do adventures. Greetings, fellow adventurers. Let's explore the untamed beauty of the Isle of Skye. This island is a treasure trove of natural wonders and historical marvels. Today, we embark on a visual journey to this Scottish gem, a place where rugged landscapes meet ancient legends. From the mystical fairy pools to the towering Old Man of Storr, every corner of Skye tells a story. Get ready to lose yourself in emerald valleys, where the lush greenery stretches as far as the eye can see. Stand in awe of dramatic cliffs that rise majestically from the sea and discover the magic that has captivated travelers for centuries. Whether you're hiking the Quiraing or exploring the ancient castles, Skye offers endless adventures. Pack your sense of wonder, and let's explore the best that Skye has to offer. From its breathtaking landscapes to its rich history, this island is a must-visit for every adventurer. A dip in the fairy pools. Our first stop takes us to the enchanting fairy pools, a series of cascading waterfalls and crystal-clear pools that seem almost otherworldly. Imagine yourself taking a dip in these icy waters, feeling the refreshing chill invigorate your senses, surrounded by vibrant green moss and the soothing sound of rushing water that calms the mind. Legend has it that fairies once bathed in these very pools, leaving behind a touch of magic, their laughter echoing through the glens, creating an atmosphere of enchantment. Whether or not you believe in fairies, the sense of wonder here is palpable. The ethereal beauty of this place is undeniable, captivating all who visit with its stunning vistas and serene ambiance. The Quiraing, a hiker's paradise. Next, we venture to the Quiraing, a landscape unlike any other. Jagged rock formations rise from the earth, remnants of ancient landslides that have shaped this dramatic terrain. Hiking trails wind their way through the Quiraing, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding coastline. Be sure to capture a photo at the iconic prison, a towering rock pinnacle that seems to defy gravity. The legend of the Old Man of Storr. No trip to Skye is complete without a visit to the Old Man of Storr. This iconic rock pinnacle dominates the landscape, a solitary sentinel keeping watch over the island. Legend has it that the old man was once a giant who, upon his death, had his thumb transformed into this towering rock. We'll take a closer look at the legend and the breathtaking views from the Storr. Dunvegan Castle, a step back in time. Prepare to be transported back in time as we explore Dunvegan Castle, the ancestral home of the Clan MacLeod. For centuries, this majestic castle has stood on the shores of Loch Dunvegan, its walls echoing with tales of battles and romance. We'll wander through the beautifully preserved rooms, admire the castle's strategic location, and stroll through the tranquil gardens. Nice Point Lighthouse, where land meets sea. Let's embark on a scenic walk to the Nice Point Lighthouse, one of the most photographed spots on Skye. As we make our way along the clifftop path, the vastness of the Atlantic Ocean will unfold before us. The lighthouse itself, perched precariously on the edge of the cliffs, stands as a beacon to sailors and a testament to human ingenuity. A wee dram at Talisker Distillery. For those who appreciate a fine whiskey, a visit to Talisker Distillery is a must. Here, amidst the rugged beauty of Skye, a single malt whiskey has been crafted for centuries. We'll take a tour of the distillery, learning about the whiskey-making process from grain to glass. And of course, no visit would be complete without a wee dram to savor the distinct flavors of Talisker. Conquering the Cuillin Mountains, calling all adventurers. The Cuillin Mountains beckon with their challenging trails and breathtaking views. We'll lace up our hiking boots and set off into this rugged landscape, where jagged peaks pierce the sky. The rewards for our efforts? Panoramic vistas that will leave you speechless. The Fairy Glen, where magic resides. Step into a world of enchantment as we explore the Fairy Glen. This mystical landscape, with its miniature hills, cascading waterfalls, and moss-covered stones, is said to be home to fairies and other mythical creatures. We'll wander through this whimsical glen, feeling the magic in the air. A glimpse into island life. To truly understand Skye, it's essential to delve into its history and culture. The Museum of Island Life offers a fascinating glimpse into the island's past, with exhibits showcasing traditional crafting life, fishing techniques, and local crafts. We'll step back in time and gain a deeper appreciation for the people who have called Skye home for generations. Coral Beach, a tropical paradise? You might think you've been transported to a tropical island when you step foot on Coral Beach. But no, this unique beach, with its pristine white sand and crystal clear waters, is right here on Skye. We'll take a stroll along the shore, marveling at the contrast of the turquoise water against the rugged coastline. Skye Museum of Island Life, a living history. Our journey into Skye's past continues at the Skye Museum of Island Life, a collection of traditional thatched cottages that offer a glimpse into the lives of crofters in the 19th century. We'll step inside these humble dwellings, imagining a time when life was simpler, yet undeniably challenging. Sligachan Old Bridge, wishes granted. Our final stop takes us to the Sligachan Old Bridge, a picturesque stone bridge that spans the River Sligachan. Legend has it that dipping your face in the waters of the river will grant you eternal beauty. Whether or not you believe the legend, the beauty of this spot is undeniable. And there you have it, my fellow adventurers, a glimpse into the untamed beauty and captivating charm of the Isle of Skye. From the ethereal fairy pools, where the water glistens like liquid crystal, to the dramatic peaks of the Cuillin Mountains, standing tall and proud under the ever-changing sky. Skye offers a tapestry of experiences that cater to every kind of explorer. These moments will stay with you long after you've left its shores. So, pack your bags with excitement, embrace the spirit of adventure, and let your heart be open to new experiences, and prepare to be enchanted by the magic of Skye. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep discovering new horizons.